In this video, I'll show you how to find Shopify stores and owner information. First, if you want to identify whether a website is built on Shopify, start by checking the store itself. Many Shopify stores use custom domains, so you won't always see Shopify in the main web address. But there are still clues. You may notice a familiar Shopify cart structure, checkout pattern, or certain page formats that are common on Shopify stores. Another simple method is to use a website technology checker. These tools can often tell you if a store is running on Shopify. That helps if you're researching competitors, checking e-commerce brands, or trying to learn how a store is built. Now, if your goal is to find the owner information, focus on what is publicly available. The easiest place to start is the store's own website. Look at the Contact Us page, About Us section, refund policy, privacy policy, shipping page, and website footer. Many businesses list an email address, company name, business location, or customer support contact there. You can also check the brand's social media pages. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and LinkedIn often reveal more about the company behind the store. Sometimes the owner name is visible, and other times you'll at least find the business contact details or public-facing brand information. If you need more, you can also look up the website domain registration. In some cases, public domain records may show who registered the site or which company controls it. But keep in mind that many domains use privacy protection, so personal details may not be visible. The best approach is to combine all of these sources together. Check the store pages, look at public business information, review social media, and compare whatever details you find. In many cases, that gives you enough to identify the business without needing anything complicated. That's how to find Shopify stores and owner information. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.